just so far ahead, light years ahead in the game. I want to know what your secret sauce is because ITRI and other Taiwanese institutions do so well each year. I would say that one of the keys that I've seen is many of the products being submitted and winning are not just gradual evolutions, but real innovative breakthroughs. And when they say, why didn't I think of this? I think that's just the ultimate compliment for an organization like ITRI.
今年的 RD100美国之外的得奖只有28个，那台湾拿了12个，在这12个里面呢，我们工研院拿了8个，我想这是一个非常outstanding 的一个表现。我想这些技术都已经跟厂商甚至于临床，而且在医院里面都在使用了。那将来我们当然更努力的，让我们在国外得奖的一些奖项呢，能够跟国外的一些资本市场做连结。我们也会跟这个在地的这些创投公司呢，希望能够引进更多的资金，让我们的技术能够更快速的走入市场。